This is Kevin with Connect Now, and today we're going to walk you through the Agent Training Guide, which is a step-by-step instruction manual for getting started with the Connect Now app. Getting started with the Connect Now app, you will receive emails from success@connectnowinc.com. If you are the subscriber, this will contain your receipt for the subscription purchase, or it will be an invitation from your organization to join Connect Now. In the emails, you'll find your login credentials for both the mobile app and the online dashboard. If you do not see the emails in your inbox, check your spam filter. Once you find the email, be sure to mark our email address as not junk mail or not spam so that you can avoid missing any emails with important alerts in the future. Connect Now works on both Android and iPhones. So you'll need to go to the Apple Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android to download the app to initially log in. Just search Connect Now Inc. in either store and look for our green, white, and black logo, and you'll know that you have the right download. Once the app has been downloaded onto your phone, enter the provided login information from the email and click Login. You'll then be asked to enter in your phone number. Once you do that, you press Send Confirmation Text, and you will receive a text immediately from the Connect Now app with a code that you need to enter in, and then just simply press Confirm. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your profile, which will include a photo of yourself. And this is important when you're using the online interface or our snippet tool. This is the picture that potential customers will see when they get a notification that they're connecting to you through Connect Now app. So you want to make sure that it's a photo that you're comfortable with. You can either pick a picture from your phone's gallery, or you can simply take a picture with your phone. Once that step is complete and you've set up your complete profile, you just click Agree to the terms of service, and you are all set. Next, you'll see a screen pop up on your phone with a welcome message that's going to ask you to toggle your notification and location permissions. It's important to turn these on in order to receive leads or push notifications through the Connect Now app. So congratulations, you are now ready to start receiving leads through the Connect Now app. You will be set to available by default in order to receive a test lead from the system. Click yes to claim the text lead, and then you can either call, text, or email the lead using the buttons at the bottom of the screen.
So now that you're in the app, if you need to change information on your profile, you would go to the two horizontal bars in the upper left-hand corner, and that will bring you into this section where you can make changes to your profile information, change your email address, fix your name, your phone number. If you want to change your picture, you would simply click on the picture, and it will ask you to either pick a new picture from your gallery, take a picture, or you can select an avatar from the collection within the app. This is also the section where you would go to look at your settings. And this is important, especially if you want to preset your schedule. So you can click on schedule setting, and you can have yourself on 24 hours a day, every day of the week. If you know that you don't want to do that, but you do want to have the program automatically turn it on from 8 until 5, Monday through Friday, you can do that here as well. Let's say on Wednesday, you know you have a sales meeting, and you're really not available until 10, you can change that day. You can also do the same thing for weekends, Saturdays and Sundays. Set your schedule to whatever you want for either individual days or for both days at the same time, or you can even make yourself unavailable on a particular day. Once you have your schedule set, simply click Save, and now your schedule is preset and saved in the app. If you haven't preset your schedule, each time you log into the app, you're going to want to make sure that you set your status from unavailable to available by swiping the bar from red to green. On the home screen, You can see a variety of information, your stats for the last 7 days, including the total number of leads received, the breakdown of leads claimed versus missed, your leads claimed per day, and the total availability per hours that you've been on each day. You can also click here on the highlighted text to see a list of your unclaimed leads, or you can retrieve that same list by clicking on the Inquiries tab at the bottom of your screen. In the Inquiries tab, you will see both your unclaimed and your missed leads. Missed leads are leads that have been claimed by others in your organization. Unclaimed leads are leads that have come in that are still available to be claimed. With the new update to the application, you can now sort unclaimed leads by the time they came in, the source they came from, or if you're looking for a particular lead, you can sort them by name as well. When you've claimed a lead, that lead gets entered into your contacts. And in the contacts, you can see here's the lead that we just claimed. The application will randomly assign an icon to the person. And since I know that, since I'm Kevin and I know that I'm not a brunette, then you can go in and you can either pick a picture from a gallery that you might have of this person, take a new picture, or you can pick from the collection and pick something that may be a little more appropriate based on what you know of the person. So you can edit their basic information. You can add second phone numbers, email addresses. You can change the status from contacted to new or qualified or whatever you feel is appropriate. You can enter in a move date. You can put in budgets if you like. You can enter in their home address, their employment, anyone that you've shared that with as far as the lead, and then simply press the green Save button at the bottom, and that will add the information to the contact. On the contact page itself, you can enter any notes that you may have about this person, and those will be saved in the record as well. And once you've added your note, then simply press the green Save bar again, and this will save the note in the contact record. From the contact record, we can do a number of things as well. We can add this person to our phone's contacts simply by pressing the silhouette with the plus sign over here on the right-hand side. We can remind ourselves what the original inquiry was by pressing the Inquiries tab, where you will find the original lead card that came in to the Connect Now system. And over here on the left-hand side, the clock symbol with an arrow around it is the history, and this will show you all of the interaction that has happened with this contact since they came into the system and they were claimed by you. So you can see here where we've changed the stage, added notes, any additional text, email, or phone communication would also be recorded in this history tab.
As an agent, the Connect Now application allows you to log into an individual dashboard by going to connectnowinc.com and using the same login credentials that you use to log into your mobile app. From your dashboard, you can filter the time period to look at the leads that have come in. And this is helpful if you want to track from the overview to get an idea of the number of leads that have come in while you've been available on the app, the number of those leads that you've claimed, your response rate as a percentage, your average response time, and then this last box shows whether you are currently active in the app or not. Down below, you'll see a list of the leads, and under the status, you can get an idea of the history. You can see that this record came into Connect Now and was immediately claimed by you. If you click on the plus button to expand on any of the individual leads, you'll also get the information that will show you where the lead came from, the source, the property they were looking at if it's available, the phone number and email for the contact. And then down below, there is a map that geographically plots out where your leads have come from, both by location and by the source of where the lead came. This is particularly useful if you as an agent are paying for your own leads or paying for your own advertisement. You can see the color coding here that shows where our demo leads have come from Apartments.com, from the snippet, from Facebook, from Street Easy and Zillow, a variety of other sources. If you want to check and see where just one particular lead source has come in for you, and let's say we want to look at our Facebook leads, we simply turn off all of the other lead sources, and you can see where the pushpin markers are for Facebook leads. If you click on that pin, it will again open up the lead card and show you the person's name, the property they were looking at, their contact information, both phone and email. And this can help you to manage your individual ad spend as an agent so that you can focus your ad dollars on those sources that are bringing you the most leads from the proper areas. And that concludes our walk through the agent training guide for the Connect Now mobile app and dashboard. If you need additional help, please check out our support page at www.connectnowinc.com. Under the resources tab, you'll find a link to our support page where you will also see a number of how-to videos and articles that should help you navigate through both the mobile and desktop app. As always, we're here to help. If you need to speak with someone on our support team to either set up a meeting for training or provide feedback, you can also reach us either by email at support@connectnowinc.com or call us at 844-675-0900 and press option 2 to be directed to support.